We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, we're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone to rocket, rev it up now. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, come on, let's go. Little Einsteins, we need you. Little Einsteins, yeah! Okay, we're starting. This is it.
Shh. Animal snack time.
Art, African pottery, and music. The Nutcracker Suite, written by Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky. Hi, I'm Leo, and we're the Little Einsteins. Rocket is excited. He's flying to Serengeti National Park in Tanzania. Rocket is going to play with his friends, the baby animals.
Do you want to play with Rocket and the baby animals? Great!
Listen, I hear the baby animals. There's baby giraffe.
And baby chimpanzee. And what kind of baby animal is that? An elephant! Right!
Aw, the baby animals are so cute. They're very excited to play with Rocket.
But how can Rocket play with baby animals?
Ooh, look! Rocket has special buttons for playing with animals. Animal buttons!
Watch. When I press the giraffe button, Rocket grows a long neck, just like a giraffe. Whoa! Rocket and baby giraffe are reaching their necks into those acacia trees.
They're playing peekaboo in the branches. Look! Now baby chimp wants to play with Rocket.
Which button is the chimpanzee button? Oh, yeah!
Wow! Now Rocket has long arms for climbing, just like baby chimp. They're climbing up that big rock together.
Awesome! Now it's baby elephant's turn to play with Rocket. Okay, can you find the elephant button? Yes, there it is. I cannot believe it! Rocket has a trunk like an elephant!
He and baby elephant are slurping up the water in that pond. They're spraying it in the air like a sprinkler.
The baby animals love playing with Rocket. Uh-oh. The baby animals' tummies are grumbling.
Aw, they're hungry after all that playing.
But look! Rocket brought something for the baby animals. It's animal snacks! Wait the baby animals can have snack time.
And they won't be hungry anymore. Uh-oh, that sounds like the mean blue airplane, Big Jet. He loves snacks.
Be careful, Rocket. Big Jet could try to take the baby animal snacks and eat them.
Look, here comes a baby lion. That's a strange-looking baby lion. He's so big and blue.
Wait. I don't think that's a baby lion. Who do you think it is? It's Big Jet? You're right! Oh no! Big Jet was just pretending to be a lion.
He's taking the animal snacks far, far away. Poor baby animals.
They're hungry and their tummies are grumbling.
They need their snacks.
Don't worry, baby animals. Rocket's not going to let Big Jet eat your snacks. But he's going to need your help to get the baby animal snacks back. Will you help Rocket get the baby animal snacks?
Great!
We've got a mission! We're going to get the baby animal snacks back from Big Jet. Let the mission begin!
Buckle your seatbelts. Seatbelts buckled.
Prepare for blast off! We need to give Rocket a lot of power. Put your hands on your lap and pat with us. Pat, 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 pat. Faster! Pat, 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 pat. Now raise your arms as high as you can and say blast off!
Blast off! Hold on tight, 'cause here we go! All right! It's animal snack time, what a treat! Give all the babies food to eat. Yum 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 yum. Hooray!
Listen, that sounds like Big Jet!
He must be hiding somewhere in the savannah.
Where's Big Jet? Yes, he's right above us. And he's dropping something down on Rocket. It's a trap!
Oh no! Big Jet trapped Rocket inside a cage!
He threw the key way up high, to the top of the tallest acacia tree.
Big Jet is getting away with the animal snacks!
We have to find a way out of this cage. Rocket knows how we can get the key. We can use one of his animal buttons. Let's see. Rocket can turn into a giraffe, a chimpanzee, and an elephant. Which one of these animals can stretch its neck through the bars and reach way up high to the top of a tree? The giraffe! Yes! Yay! Rocket turned into a giraffe!
He's stretching his neck out of the cage and up to the key.
But the key is up so high. Rocket needs help reaching it.
I can help you, Rocket. I can sing a giraffe song to help Rocket stretch his giraffe neck all the way to the key. The giraffe song goes like this. Stretch your neck up high. Come on, help me sing the giraffe song. Sit up straight and hold up your microphone. Now sing! Stretch your neck up high. Good! Sing it with me. Stretch your neck up high.
It's working! Rocket's giraffe neck is stretching higher.
He can almost reach the key. But we need to sing higher to help Rocket stretch higher. Sing higher with me. Stretch your neck up high. Even higher. Stretch your neck up high. We did it! Rocket got the key. Yay! Thanks for helping me sing so high.
All right! Rocket got out of Big Jet's trap.
Now let's go get those snacks for the baby animals.
Full speed ahead!
It's animal snack time, what a treat! Give all the babies food to eat. Yum 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 yum. Aw, the baby animals sound really hungry.
They need their snacks. Don't worry, baby animals. As soon as we find where Big Jet is hiding, we're going to get your snacks back. We promise.
Listen! That sounds like Big Jet.
Can you find where Big Jet is hiding? Yes, he's at the top of Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa.
Uh-oh, he's setting a table with a plate and a fork and a spoon.
He's going to eat the animals' snacks.
We have to hurry.
Wait, Rocket. We can't fly up the mountain. Flying is too noisy. We need to climb up the mountain quietly, piano, so we can sneak up on Big Jet.
Look, Rocket says we can use one of his animal buttons.
We need to be an animal that has long arms for climbing. Which animal should Rocket turn into? A chimpanzee! Right!
It's working! Rocket's climbing up the mountain like a chimpanzee. He's sneaking up on Big Jet.
Come on! Rocket needs our help to climb quietly. Piano. Reach your hands to help Rocket climb to the beat. Climb with one hand. Now the other hand. One hand, other hand. Climb, 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 climb. One hand, other hand. That's it. We're helping Chimpanzee Rocket climb quietly. But to sneak up on Big Jet, we have to climb even more quietly. Pianissimo. Reach your arms a little smaller, like this. Climb, 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 climb. Climb even more quietly. Pianissimo. Climb, 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 climb. We did it. We helped Rocket climb quietly to the top of the mountain.
Good job climbing so quietly.
Look! Rocket's going to try and take back the baby animal snacks. Hurry, Rocket! Big Jet is about to eat them!
There go the snacks! The baby animal snacks are flying far, far away!
Uh-oh! Big Jet is racing off after the snacks! Rocket knows how to fly faster than Big Jet. He can fly there super fast!
Super fast!
Get to super fast. We have to start at Adagio. Pat the beat on your lap slowly. Moderato. Now pat the beat on your tummy a little faster. Allegro. Now pat the beat on your shoulders even faster. Presto! Now reach your arms to the sky and shake your whole body! We did it! We're flying super fast!
Look! We're going faster than Big Jet!
All right, Rocket!
Big Jet sure is frustrated that we're going to get to the snacks before him.
Whoa, look! We flew all the way to the Zambezi River in Zambia.
The baby animal snacks must have landed around here somewhere. Do you see the baby animal snacks? Where? Oh, yes! They're floating down the river!
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. It sounds like they're heading towards a waterfall!
Yikes! We can't let the baby animal snacks go down the falls!
If only there was some way we could drink up all the water. That would stop the waterfall. What animal can Rocket turn into that's good at slurping up lots of water? An elephant! Right!
Look! Rocket's slurping up the water with his trunk.
And he's splashing it into those pots to save the water for later. Go, Rocket! You're making the waterfall get smaller.
Uh-oh, but the snacks keep getting closer to the edge. Rocket needs to slurp up all the water to stop the waterfall. He needs our help. Let's do an elephant dance to help Rocket slurp up the water. Come on, make your arm like an elephant trunk and stretch it out in front of you to slurp up the water. Slurp! Good! Now reach behind your head to spray the water into the pot. Spray! That's it! Now reach in front of you. Slurp! Now reach behind you. Spray! Slurp! Spray! Slurp! Spray!
Uh-oh! Big Jet is at the bottom of the waterfall. He's waiting to catch the snacks when they fall.
We can't let the snacks fall. We have to hurry and slurp up the water faster. Do the elephant dance faster. Slurp, spray, slurp, spray, slurp, spray, slurp, spray.
big jet. He got splashed with water from the waterfall.
He'll never try to take the baby animal snacks ever again.
Come on, team. Let's get the snacks back to the baby animals.
The baby animals are so excited.
We got their snacks back.
Baby chimp gets yummy Mumanda fruits.
Baby elephant likes baobab chips. And baby giraffe gets delicious acacia leaf crackers.
Baby animals, it's snack time. It's animal snack time, want a treat. Give all the babies food to eat. Yum 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 yum. Aw, the baby animals love their snacks.
And they love their friend Rocket. Mission completion! Now it's time for the curtain call!
Let's give a hand and hear it for the team. And rah, rah, rah for Rocket.
Come on, take a bow.
It's your turn now. Let's hear a big hand for you.
Now,
Clap, 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 clap. Let's give a big cheer for the yard of the day.
African pottery!
African pottery.
The composer of the beautiful music we played.
Tchaikovsky, Tchaikovsky. Hooray! Yay, Tchaikovsky! And here comes the music of the day, the Nutcracker Suite.
See you on the next mission!
There were bananas in Quincy's tuba. That's so
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky, little Einsteins. Climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, we're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone to rocket, rev it up now. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins,
Come on, let's go.
little Einsteins, we need you. Little Einsteins, yeah!
Get ready. Let's go.
The Puppet Princess.
Art. Drawings by Leonardo da Vinci. And music.
Funeral March of a Marionette. Written by Charles Francois Gounod. Hi, I'm Leo, and this is my puppet Charlie. Watch, I can make him say hello. Hello. What about you? Do you like playing with puppets? Cool. Well, today, my friends and I are going to see a puppet show. It's called The Three Silly Puppets and the Puppet Princess.
Ooh, a puppet princess. That sounds marvelous.
Wow, June! You can dance just like a puppet.
Rocket says it's time to go to the puppet show. Do you want to see the puppet show? Great! Come on!
Buckle your seatbelts.
Seatbelts buckled!
Prepare for blast off. We need to give Rocket a lot of power. Put your hands on your lap and pat with us. Pat, 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 pat. Faster! Pat, 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 pat. Now raise your arms as high as you can and say blast off!
Blast off! Hold on tight, 'cause here we go!
All right! To the puppet show!
We're off to the puppet show. We're off to the puppet show. The puppet show, the puppet show, the puppety puppety show.
The puppet show is that way, Rocket. In Prague, in the Czech Republic.
Look, look, look! Here comes the puppet theater for the show. Oh no! The puppets fell off the theater. Puppets, are you all right?
The puppets are A-OK.
Silly puppets. Hi, puppets. My name is June, and these are my friends. Well, it was nice meeting you, puppets, but now you'd better get back to the puppet theater. You don't want to be late for your show.
I don't see the puppet theater anywhere. Let's check my binoculars. Do you see the puppet theater? Oh yeah, there it is.
But Leo, it's rolling so far away.
It's going to Prague without the puppets. Oh no! The puppet theater left the puppets behind.
Poor puppets. They sound sad. Don't feel sad, puppets. I'll help you get to the show. I promise. Will you help the puppets get to the puppet show? Fantastic!
We can all help the puppets. Right, team?
Right!
We've got a mission. We're going to get the puppets to the puppet show. Let the mission begin! March, march, march. March, march, march. March, march, march.
Follow us, puppets! Silly puppets. We're going to have to teach the puppets how to march. Ready? Put your feet out in front of you so you can lift your legs. Now lift one leg at a time. March, march, march. Can you march your legs like me? March, march, march. Very good. March, 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 march. Look, the puppets are starting to get it. Show the puppets how to march their legs even higher. March, march, march. March, march, march. Excellent marching, puppets. Thanks for helping me teach the silly puppets how to march. We're off to the puppet show. We're off to the puppet show. The puppet show, the puppet show, the puppety show.
What's wrong, Rocket?
Yeah, Rocket. Is something the matter?
Oh, I see what it is. Rocket found a sign. A warning sign. It says that the trees coming up have sticky sap on them.
Ew, sticky sap. Okay, puppets. Be careful that you don't touch any of the sticky, sappy trees. Got it? All right, everyone. Follow me. Hooray! I made it through the sticky trees.
So did I.
Us too.
But I don't see the puppets. Did the puppets get stuck in the sticky, sappy trees? You're right, they did.
Oh no! The red puppet got his foot stuck in the sap.
The yellow puppet got his elbow stuck in the sap.
And the orange puppet got his nose stuck in the sap.
Silly puppets.
We have to help the puppets get unstuck so they can get to the puppet show.
I have a plan. We can show the puppets how to move their bodies to get unstuck. Quincy, can you play some music to help us?
Sure I can. I can play a get unstuck rhythm on my triangle.
Perfect. Now let's help the red puppet move his foot to Quincy's get unstuck rhythm. Put one foot out in front of you. Now move only your foot to the rhythm. Like this. Foot, 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 foot. Foot, 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 foot. Yay!
We helped the red puppet get unstuck.
Look how happy he is. Now let's help the yellow puppet get his elbow unstuck. Move just one elbow to the triangle rhythm. Ready? Elbow, 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 elbow.
He's free. The yellow puppet is unstuck.
He sure looks happy.
Only one more puppet to get unstuck. The orange puppet.
He got his nose stuck in the sap.
Can you move just your nose to the triangle rhythm? Like this? Nose, 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 nose. Do it with me. Nose, 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 nose. Nose, 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 nose.
Woohoo!
You did it!
Now that's a happy puppet.
You helped all three puppets get unstuck from the sticky, sappy trees. Excellent job!
I wonder what that sound is. Look! There's the puppet theater!
And I hear instruments. Do you see the instruments? Yeah, they're coming to see the puppet show.
And it looks like they're ready for the show to start.
We have to hurry and get the puppets to the theater before the show starts. Come on, puppets, let's march.
Go, puppets, go!
Good marching!
Sing with me. We're off to the puppet puppet show. We're off to the puppet show. The puppet show, the puppet show, the puppety show. Look, look, look! That sign says that the puppet show is this way.
We must be getting closer to the puppet theater.
This way, puppets. And remember, stay on the path.
Hey, wait a second. The puppets aren't behind us anymore. Uh-oh, they took the wrong path. They're headed straight for that dessert factory.
Silly puppets. That's not the puppet show. That's a factory where they make cupcakes and cakes and cookies. Come on.
Dessert factory. I wonder where the puppets went. Do you see the puppets? Yes, there they are. They're on top of those collage pastries. Silly puppets.
Uh-oh. You guys, look. The puppets are headed straight for those machines. Those machines squirt the desserts with jelly.
And that machine puffs the desserts with powdered sugar. We need to warn the puppets, or else they're going to get squirted and puffed.
Oh no! They're headed for a jelly squirter. We have to show the puppets how to pick up just their feet so they don't get squirted. Come on. Let's sit like the puppets with our feet in front of us. Get ready to lift up your feet. Now, lift up your feet. Fantastic! And look, the puppets are lifting their feet just like us.
Yay, puppets!
Didn't get squirted.
Uh-oh, but here comes the next machine. A sugar puffer.
Those puppets had better duck. Let's show the puppets how to duck just their heads. Ready? Duck your head. And the puppets duck too. They're moving exactly like us.
Look out! Here comes another jelly squirter.
Get ready to pick up your feet. Pick up your feet. A sugar puffer. Get ready to duck your head. Duck your head.
That's it!
Way to go, puppets.
Uh-oh, the conveyor belt is moving faster.
The jelly squirters are squirting jelly faster.
And the sugar puffers are puffing sugar faster.
We have to help the puppets move faster. Do you think you can go faster? Great! Now get ready. Here comes a jelly squirter. Lift your feet. There's a puffer. Duck your head. Feet. Head. Hooray!
All right.
You helped the puppets through all those machines. How wonderful!
Nice catch, Rocket.
Good to have you back, silly puppets.
Uh-oh, that sounds like the puppet show.
show. And the curtain is starting to go up.
The puppet show is about to start. Without the puppets! What are we going to do?
We have to get the puppets to the puppet theater. We promised.
June is right. And there's only one way to get there in time. We're going to have to fly Rocket as fast as he can go. Super fast! Will you help me fly Rocket super fast? Great! Super fast!
Super fast!
To get to super fast, we have to start at Adagio. Pat the beat on your lap slowly. Moderato. Now pat the beat on your tummy a little faster. Allegro. Now pat the beat on your shoulders even faster. Presto! Now reach your arms to the sky and shake your whole body! We did it! We're flying super fast! We made it! We got here before the curtain went up all the way.
The puppets are just in time for their show. Okay, puppets, it's time for you to put on your show. The 3 silly puppets and the puppet princess.
Wait a second. I see 3 silly puppets, but I don't see a puppet princess anywhere.
Uh-oh! The puppets forgot they need a puppet princess for their show.
Silly puppets. What is it, little puppets? You want me to play the puppet princess?
That's a great idea, puppets.
Yeah, June, you're really good at moving like a puppet.
I suppose I could. But I'm going to need your help. Will you help me move like a puppet for the puppet show? Excellent! Come on, the show is starting!
Once upon a time, there was a puppet princess.
Then one day, the puppet princess met 3 silly puppets who didn't know how to move their bodies.
But the puppet princess helped them.
Come on, let's show the puppets how to move. Stand up, like me. That's it. Get up on your feet. Stand up nice and tall, like a puppet. Excellent!
First, the puppet princess taught the puppets how to march.
March with me! And then she taught them how to move their elbows. Now, move just your elbow with me.
She taught the puppets how to move their noses.
Move just your nose.
She even taught the silly puppets how to duck their heads.
Duck your head with me. The princess and the puppets became best friends.
And they all danced happily ever after.
The instruments the puppet show.
Aw, you're welcome, puppets. And thank you for all your help. You make a great puppet.
Mission completion! Now it's time for the curtain call! Let's give a hand and hear it for the team. And rah, rah, rah for Rocket. Come on, take a bow.
It's your turn now. Let's hear a big hand for you.
Now, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap.
Let's give a big cheer for the artist of the day.
Da Vinci!
Da Vinci!
The composer of the beautiful music we played. Uno!
Uno! Hooray! Yay, Uno! And here comes the music of the day. Listen.
See you on the next mission! Something is behind the curtain.
It has really long legs.
And a really long neck.
What is it? It's a giraffe.
That's so silly!